Hey everyone, I'm Shane Renard with the Renard Realty Group here in De Pere, Wisconsin. And today I wanted to bring you this video in regard to the September year-to-date report in the MLS and the private sales in our market. So with further ado, I am going to share my screen and show you just on the MLS what is going on in 2021 September, because we just closed out in September. So let me share my screen with you. All right, so as you can see here, we had an average of 256 sales in the month of September. So from 2020 to 2021, we've closed 312 properties in 2020. And in 2021, we closed out 268. We're down 14% on our listings that closed. But if you can see year to date, we're down only 5. So some months were better than others, of course, as you can see in this historical graph below. Now, the pending sales were at 260 for September and 330 in 2020, down 21%. Darn near a quarter of our market was down. So year to date, we closed out on pending sales. We're down 6.96%. Now look at this, new listings, we're down only 7. So that tells me that we're getting a lot of listings, some that were pending, and not all of them closed, probably due to financing or some other circumstances. But look at the pricing. In September, we went up from 219.9 to 239.9, which is a 9.10% increase. Year to date, 9.05. So that was the median list price. The median sale price is up reflectively 9.6 and 11.6 for year to date. So median list price to sale price, we're getting 103%. So how's that possible? People are buying properties over asking price in 2021 versus full asking price in 2020. So overall, you can expect 2% over asking price. So days on market, relatively the same. We're selling quicker in 2021 year to date, but you can see in September, 44 is about the average that you'll see with this kind of stuff in our market, being that it sits on the market for roughly 44 days, but year to date 46. So you can expect your property to sit on the market for around 44 to 48 days or 46 days. Monthly inventory, we had 820 in September, but year to date we had 820. So from January till September, 820 properties of active inventory, and months of supply, 3.2 months supply versus 3.5 in 2020. We're down 9%. So as you can see, year to date, down 9%. So let's scroll down and we're going to break this down even further. Now you can see the hot times to be selling, definitely in May. Okay. That was in 2020. But in 2021, it didn't jump as high in May. It had a slow start and then dropped down again in January and then back up. And you can see in 2020, November was really hot. In 2021, I'm sorry, in 2020. In 2020, it was pretty hot in that October, November range, so, and look at this. This is shocking how quick we rebounded in the cold winter months. We just skyrocketed and it really plunged quickly in 2021 here from 9 to 10 and 11. And again, you can see that same pattern. So it's not exactly the same, but you can see the same pattern of the market. So let's break it down by the September market from 2020 to 2021. As you can see here, new listings, 2020 is in blue, 2021 is in orange. So new listings, we had less listings, but higher median prices and sale prices. Less inventory and a little bit longer on market, but it's a wash at the end of the day with the averages. So the closed sales, if you look historically over the past couple of years, the 5 years, 2020 was definitely our number one year to sell. The market is starting to rebound and turn around and stabilize. So our pinnacle of the market is now done with, and we are starting to cycle down and normalize. And in this graph talks about distribution of prices, how many properties are selling in these price ranges. The sweet spots, this 140 to 160, 180 to 200, 240 to 260, 3 to 350, and then 400 and 500 lagging behind a little bit. So if you have any questions about what's happening in our local economy or our local real estate market, I would love to get you some reports about your local area and advise you on what is a proper positioning for a seller or a buyer if you're looking to purchase. I'm Shane Renard with the Renard Realty Group, and you can reach me here at 920-606-4436. Thank you.